I'm meteorologist Ryan Leach, and this is the fire weather briefing for Sunday, July 22nd, 2018. This week we'll have some low pressure starting to develop over the Columbia Basin and a trough over there. That will be opposite of some high pressure east of the Continental Divide. Expecting this sort of to start to build up around Tuesday, Wednesday time frame, and that'll set the area up for some east winds across western Montana and central Idaho. This is actually going to be a pretty light easterly wind and should be dominated by your local winds, so most areas will actually experience typical valley and slope flows. However, if you're on the ridge tops, or if you do actually are able to get a smoke plume to go up, you may notice some of those east winds, especially in western Montana. In the afternoons, we expect the upper level winds in most of Idaho to basically stay out of the west, but again, these winds aren't very strong, and in pretty much all areas we really expect the local winds to be the dominant wind feature. Also, you may have noticed some lightning bolts along the Continental Divide and in western Montana. So Thursday right now looks like our peak opportunity for thunderstorms. However, the way the weather pattern is setting up, it's not a good pattern for a lot of lightning. So we're looking at a chance of thunderstorms and just relatively a few lightning strikes coming out of that. But a few is enough to potentially cause some ignitions, so just thought we should give you a heads up that, again, right now Thursday looks like the peak opportunity for some lightning, but overall not a really big lightning type event for the area. Looking out for the next couple of weeks, these graphics have stayed very similar the last few times I've briefed, and we're looking at good chances of above normal temperatures and below normal precipitation for the next 2 weeks. So we continue our steady march on towards fire season with warm, dry conditions. Kind of wrap things up and tie it together for the fire weather threat matrix. We're going to be all green, even with some of those thunderstorms and whatnot coming in Thursday. It seems to be a minimal lightning type event, so we went ahead and left that green. And the east winds, or most of the winds being local winds or terrain-driven winds, seems like a pretty low impact also. So our next briefing will be Tuesday, July 24th. In the meantime, if you have any questions or concern or would like a more detailed forecast for your area, please give us a call at 406-329-4716, or go ahead and submit a spot forecast request. Thank you.